Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change rounded corners and size of the icons in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings, and here select rounded corners and size of icons. So by default it is set to round, so perfect round, and then this is icon size. Okay, if you would like to increase icon size, just click on the next option, that is next point to the right side. This is large, this is default, this is small, this is very small. Okay, suppose if you would like to change this rounded corner to square corner like this, yes, you can do it. Okay, so if you would like to default, if you would like to change it to default, then you have to click on restore defaults. Okay, see the changes. Rounded corners not available, perfect round is not available. Okay, this is square round. Okay, square round is showing for icons, app icons. Again I go to settings, lock screen and wallpaper, click on home settings and click on rounded corners and size of icons, and here I click on restore defaults. So default settings for rounded corners and size of icons applied. Okay, so in this way you can easily change rounded corners and size of icons in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.